My mum was Austrian and we used to speak German within our home, and my grandmother would come and stay with us. So we grew up as a bilingual family, and I found that to be very beneficial and something I really enjoyed and something I still talk about and do with my children. Both myself and my husband have learnt Welsh, but of course we are learners who go once a week, whereas our children have just raced ahead. My son now being in secondary education and fluent. The school run sessions for the parents and invite us in very regularly, and they give us sheets and lots of information, lots of good websites. So we've all got a copy of the Welsh alphabet and some keywords that we need to be using at home. We also have a link with school now through Google Classroom and also Purple Mash, and things in there are bilingual. So if my daughter is on there and I don't quite know what she's doing, I know I can look at the English version and I can be up to date with her and up to speed unless, she explains it to me.